Welcome to this video on the ApTechDeals AP850 Digital Multimeter. We'll explore its specifications and analyze user reviews to understand its capabilities. The multimeter measures 6 core functions, including DC voltage, AC voltage, and DC current. It also checks resistance, diodes, and transistors. The LCD screen displays up to 2,000 counts. The durable turntable controls the device with smooth operation. It features distinct pauses for accurate selection, and its wear-resistant design extends the device's life. The device features 3 specific sockets. The COM port connects the black lead. The V-omega-MA port is for the red lead during standard tests. The 10A port connects the red lead for high current measurements. The multimeter can measure high AC voltage. Users connect probes to the wall socket, and the screen displays the exact voltage reading. Remember to use extreme caution with mains electricity. The HFE socket tests transistor gain in 3 steps. Step 1. Turn the dial to the HFE position. Step 2. Insert the transistor into the 8-hole socket. Step 3. Match the pins to the NPN or PNP configuration. The multimeter generates a square wave. The frequency outputs at 50 Hz, and the voltage reaches 3 volts peak to peak. Users access this function via the V-omega-MA and COM jacks. High current requires port changes. Standard current below 200 mA uses the V-omega-MA port. High current above 200 mA requires the 10A port. The maximum safe limit is 10 amperes. Technical specifications define the form factor. The unit weighs 160 grams and measures 12 by 3 by 14 centimeters. It requires a minimum of 3 volts, as it is battery-powered, and carries CE approval. The package includes essential components. The box contains 1 digital multimeter and 2 test leads. The leads feature protective covers for safety. Users rate the device highly with 3.9 out of 5 stars. Over 5,988 customers left feedback, and over 1,000 users bought it last month. Its price offers a 54% saving. Users identify clear strengths and limitations. Strengths include high value, suitability for beginners, and ease of use for students. Limitations are mixed accuracy, quick wire durability failure, and occasional device stoppage after 3 months. The ApTechDeals AP850 fits specific needs. It serves students for basic learning and handles home repairs effectively. However, professional labs may require tools with higher durability.